Quick steps to quality check in AutoCAD. In the field of CAD services, quality and quick time are one of the main reasons for clients to outsource their services offshore. In any project, whether it is small or large, a quality check is a very important aspect. Quality checks, if done effectively, can eliminate a lot of errors and can provide us highly precise drawings or models in AutoCAD. The biggest challenge in CAD is to provide a quick turnaround time with high-quality services. Providing quick turnaround time without compromising quality is a necessity in today's world. In addition, changing technologies, constant upgradation of software, and changes in standards adds to new challenges in sustaining the quality of projects. This constant change and upgradation have given rise to new techniques and strategies in performing quality checks. We would like to educate draftsmen and modelers in the CAD field with some useful guidelines in performing quality checks in AutoCAD. During any project, it is inevitable to pay complete attention to the quality assurance processes associated with design, drafting, and modeling stages. The quality check process has to be a phase-wise process that has to be done at every stage of project execution. We have to ensure and maintain design and drafting standards, check that all the design is created in accordance with industry-specific standards and client requirements. The quality check process includes the following tasks. Phase 1. The drafter modeler converts and checks the CAD file to ensure that all standards were followed. When the drafter is confident that the file is complete, it is then carried forward to the next stage. Phase 2. The plots are converted to file and compare it to the original document for errors or drafting omissions. The file is additionally reviewed for compliance with all special instructions, layering schemes, and standards. Errors and omissions are noted, and the quality checker works with the draftsman to assure that all errors and omissions are rectified as necessary. When the CAD file is 100% accurate, the file is passed to Stage 3. Phase 3, quality checker checks the corrected document for 100% accuracy. All aspects and CAD standards are rechecked. Phase 4, quality checker visually compares and approves that the electronic file matches the original document. Quality checks are really very important to systematically execute and maintain CAD standards. Mentioned below are 10 quick steps to quality check in AutoCAD. So you must check. 1. Drawings units. 2. Application of layer standards. 3. Line style. 4. Line weights. 5. Text style followed by spell check. 6. Dimension style. 7. Application of colors. 8. Technical check, from architectural or structural or MEP point of view. 9. File size and optimize. 10. Checking sheet size composition for the printer, hard copy, and for PDF, soft copy.